Now the new thing is we just gotta look up too.
Okay, this
Make
is
sure
everyone in the squads.
Yep.
Okay.
Run from red?
Yep.
There you go.
There you go.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, have a little more dispersion. Be ready for the aircraft to come back. Usually we wouldn't leave, but wait, red eye, red eye.
That's been over, so that makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to hug the tree line or try and cliffs or some type of like?
Plus, I don't want to
terrain?
pass. If we think like the drone's seen us, or like they're surveying the area, if we're moving throughout the vegetation,